Nothing is certain in life except death. Now, what is the meaning of certain? Certain means all the possibilities, and among all the possibilities, there will be an event which surely gonna be happen. Your life is filled with thousands of possibilities, but you cannot be so sure even on a single possibility. That this possibility is truly going to happen. But one event is there in everybody's life. Not only in everybody's life, but in the life of whole existence. That is death. That is an event which you can guarantee, which you can give guarantee of. Not only yours death, but anybody's death, you can give guarantee that one day or one moment he or she gonna die for sure. And that will surely happen. We say next year I will top the exam. Next year I will make tenfold profit of this year's profit. We predict, we project our future to be. Even now we are projecting our upcoming moment or upcoming future. You might be projecting that your upcoming wife should be like this. You might be projecting that your upcoming year should be profitable in your business. You might be projecting that next month I may get a promotion. And you are not projecting, you are not only projecting, your whole life is spent in projecting only. And happiness and sorrow is nothing, but if your projection goes true, then you are happy. If your projection fails or does not become true, then there is a sorrow. This is the simple definition of sorrow and happiness. Even for happiness, you need future projection. Even for sorrow, you need future projection. None is possible without future. Therefore, the Buddhas, the enlightened ones, those who live in present, for them there is no sorrow as well as happiness. And each moment they are sure that that is certain and nothing else is certain except that each and everything is trivial to contemplate on. The only thing which we should contemplate on or meditate on or think about is the certainty, and that is death. Now, once upon a time, there was a boy, Lee. He was throwing ball towards the sun, but each day and every next day again he attempted to throw the ball towards the sun. One day his friend asked, Lee, why are you throwing ball towards the sun? Lee said that actually I want this ball to reach to the sun and do not return to the earth. But each day I am attempting to throw this ball towards the sun, but it is returning to the earth. But no problem, tomorrow I will again try and try my best. You all are like Lee. You all are projecting that the ball will reach to the sun and will not return to the earth one day. And again and daily you are attempting. And your each attempt is going to fail. Because there is gravity on earth which will never allow the ball you have thrown to reach to the sun, and your ball is bound to return to the earth. Now you must be laughing only, but this is your situation. This is everyone's situation who is projecting, who is attempting the uncertainty, towards uncertainty, that which is not certain. This is your situation. You are Lee. You are like Lee. You might not be throwing ball towards the sun, but you might be attempting something uncertain, something trivial, something laughable. If you were Lee, then what would you have done? You would have left throwing ball towards the sun, but you will never leave attempting throwing ball towards the sun throughout your life. Lee is attempting, that is uncertain. Lee is attempting to fulfill his future projection, that is uncertain. As well, your projection might be different, but that is uncertain. Except that there is no certainty. Okay, you might project that tomorrow you will wake up at 9 a.m. But who knows? If you sleep, you go to sleep. And what if you had a silent attack? Is there any certainty? Can you be so sure that you will wake up at 9 a.m. tomorrow? Forget about 9 a.m. Can you be so sure even about your next moment, even about your next second? Now your eyes are open. Can you be so sure that the next minute your eyes will be open? Death can come any moment. In fact, death is surrounding you. Your all upcoming moments, death is certain. Only this moment, now, you are alive. The one who knows that only death is certain, rest everything is uncertain, lives here and now. Because future is already dead. If you want to enjoy your life, you can enjoy it only now. Because now, at least you are alive. You know it. You are breathing it. You are living it. Now. You are listening it. You are feeling it. Now. Tomorrow death will come. And that is certain. If not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. Certainly, death will come one day. And that one day may be your next moment. Who knows? Death is always waiting at your door. Just you open it and it will enter. Those who totally lives in future projections are dead people, are living dead. And for these people there is one famous African proverb which I have read on internet that says, and I state, when death finds you, may it find you alive. Now I would like to interpret this proverb like this only. All the people who are living in future projection or who are attached to their past are dead. They are not alive. Only that person is alive which is living now, and know that death is certain. Subscribe if you find this video helpful, and share this video.